MRT Australia offers a comprehensive range of precision-engineered conveyor components suitable for a broad spectrum of industry applications. Hi, I'm Tim Webster and welcome. The high-quality German-made product range is ideally suited to specialist machine builders and conveyor manufacturers, and it also offers a reliable source of spare or replacement parts for maintenance. The vast range covers all sizes and requirements with more than 2,000 combinations available, including sanitary versions for food and pharmaceutical manufacturing environments. MRT Australia also offers a source service for non-standard parts not readily available in Australia, as well as replacements for obsolete components and upgrades for conveyor operators that want to take advantage of the latest technologies. You should find out more at mrtaustralia.com.au. I'm Tim Webster. Thanks for watching.